it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for May of 2021. I am so sorry that it took so long to get here this month. I bought some add-ons, and because I bought add-ons, I barely received it. Like, they sent me my add-ons and my Boxycharm box in one box. So I'll kind of show you guys what I got at the end of this video on the add-ons, but that was kind of disappointing because I got it a lot later than if I would have just purchasing the box on its own, and I got charged for shipping and handling for when I bought the add-ons and for this, so I'm like, I got double charged. So that's kind of a little frustrating. I would rather get my box sooner rather than wait just to ship it all together. So just be aware of that. And this is the standard box. This is the $25 a month box. Next month, y'all, is my Boxy Luxe unboxing. So if you want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified when I do upload that video. But let's get right into this. I have no clue what's in here, so you guys are going to find out with me. Okay, so let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so the theme this month is Boxycharm. What is it, Flourish? So that is what it looks like. I don't want to look at the back yet, so I'm just going to lay it down. And I seen something big. What is this? Right on the very top. So this is before ironing. So this is a heat protectant mist by Drybar. You can see, I like the packaging. Let me see what it smells like. It smells really good. Just like kind of floral. It smells good. So it says it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 Celsius. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how much this is. It is by Drybar, and this retails for $27. So far, loving what I got. I love hair care stuff, so yeah. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is what I think it is. So this was a choice. I did choose this. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I don't know exactly what that is. I have used Shape Tape before, but I don't know what Shape Tape Glow Wand is. If you know what the difference between the two is, could you please comment that in this section down below and let me know. I don't know exactly what this is. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and swatch it to kind of see. Okay, so it has like a little sponge at the end. Because I thought it was like maybe like a concealer. It seems really thin. And it kind of fades to nothing. So I don't know. It's like literally nothing. It doesn't have a glow or anything to it. So that's kind of a bummer. I don't know what this exactly is. It's a glow wand, but it doesn't have really any glow to it. I don't know. I was hoping it was like a new formula for a concealer, but obviously it's not because there's actually, like, you can't tell I put anything on my hand. So, I don't know. I'm going to try it out and see. The retail value of this is $27 as well. Let's find out what else I got. Okay, so there's something right here that kind of looks big. What is this? Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. So it's a moisturizer? A primer moisturizer. Let's see. Okay, apply evenly over clean face, follow with makeup. Okay, so it is a primer. And it is by Hello Fab. Let's see. I think there's, yep, there's foil. Okay. Ew. Squirted. Okay, so this is what the primer looks like. I'm going to go ahead. So it is kind of, it's not like super moisturizing. It's kind of like a slippery moisturizer. see. Okay, so this is by the brand First Aid Beauty, and this retails for $30, and it says that it is a formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. So it's supposed to brighten, hydrate, and smooth lines while helping blur the appearance of pores. So I will try this out in the next couple weeks. Maybe I can do a video for you guys. If you guys would like that, please comment in the comment section down below if you guys want to see me using this stuff. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this thing right here. And this is Hand All Natural Multi-Stick. So what is this? Okay, so I got the shade Rose Berry. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to swatch the back of my hand. So you can see that's what it looks like. Okay, so this is actually for lips, eyes, and cheeks. So you can use it on anything. I think this will be really pretty for the summertime just because it is a really pretty color and it kind of blends right in. But you can still see the color even though it blends in. So it's really pretty. And this retails for, what is this? $16. So that's a really good price. So I will definitely be trying this out in the next couple of days. So if you'd like to see that, just let me know. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this right here, and I believe it's the last thing. Yes, so that's the last thing that's in the box. And it is by Cab Cosmetics, or K-A-B, I don't know which one. I think it's Cab Cosmetics. And this is called the Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. And this retails for $52. Ooh. So this is what the palette looks like. They look like some really pretty colors. I like these shimmery shades right here. This is very me. I'm going to swatch a couple of these so that you guys can see the pigmentation. Let's go with this matte purple shade. Ooh, so as you can see, it's actually picking up pretty good color, but it did fade out when I rubbed it. Let's try this Naked because these shades are sometimes really hard to get right. It's not bad, you really can't see it though. Let's try a really dark matte shade like this one right here. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Yes, terracotta. Very pretty. Okay, let's try some of these shimmery shades. I'm going to try Moon Dust. Ooh, that's really pretty. And let's try Starlight. Ooh, so these are really pretty. These shimmer shades are very pigmented. I'll try this Midnight since it's a darker shimmer. Very pretty. That would be really pretty all over the eyes. So I can't wait to try this out and create a look for you guys because that is a really, really beautiful palette. So that is everything that was in my box. I'm going to go ahead and tally it all up and I'll let you guys know what the total value of this month's box was. So the total value of this month's box was $152 and I spent $25 on it. So that is amazing. Probably my favorite thing that was in the box was the hair care and the eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to use these, but I really did like this. I was kind of disappointed in this. I'll have to try it out to see how I like it, just because it was supposed to be like a shimmer stick and it like kind of turned into nothing when I put it on my hand, and it has no coverage, so it's not like a concealer or anything. So I'm a little confused on this product, but I will still try it out and give it a go. And I'm not really big on primers. I really don't wear primers. I think they don't, like, a lot of times when I put primers on, it seems like it makes my makeup look cakey, or it causes my foundation to move, even though that's the complete opposite that it's supposed to do. That's what I find it doing. Okay, So that completes that. Let's go ahead and see what I got for my add-ons. So the first thing that I got for my add-ons is this right here. And it is two blending sponges and a stand. So look how cute that is. It comes with a little stand to put them on. I thought it would look really cute on my makeup desk to hold my stuff. And it's cute, really cute packaging. Although it's like impossible to open, so we're just destroying this packaging. That looks so cute. Okay. So let's go ahead and take it out. If I can get it out. Okay. So that's what holds them. They feel really soft too. They're not like too dense. They're actually soft. So you just put it on your makeup counter like that. How cute is that? Super cute. Okay. The next thing that I got was this right here. And these are two lashes. I love lashes. So whenever I see lashes, I always get them just because I go through so many. Even though I don't wear them all the time on here, I do wear them quite often during the week. Okay, and the last thing that I bought was these, and I'm kind of sad because they're magnetic lashes, and I didn't realize they were magnetic. When I got them, I was like, they look like they're magnetic, and I was so bummed. Let me see. I don't even think they come with their magnetic stuff. I don't like magnetic lashes. Do not even waste your money on buying them. They are horrible. They are so bad. I'm like, how much are these girls getting paid to try to make these seem like they're better than they are, because they're not great. Yeah, they're magnetic. I'm just going to try to see if I can't take off the magnetic things, because I hate magnetic lashes. You can see that piece of lash that's coming up. Right there. It's like falling apart. Literally, there's like a piece of string that just fell off of that. And my lashes are like, these things, look. They're literally just falling off. Literally just open it and they're already breaking apart. I hate magnetic lashes. They're so bad. Ugh. I was so disappointed because these were, I think they were like $6. Like, man. And look! There's a piece that got just left in here. Like, hello. So yes, I was really disappointed about that. You cannot tell. So yeah, I wish I would have known that they were magnetic. And to top it off, they didn't even send the magnetic glue to go with it. So I have some, but it's not good. So I don't even think I'm going to use these. I may just try to give them to somebody. I don't know. But yes, that is what I bought in my add-ons. And yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you will be notified every time that I do upload a video. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. God bless.